versus protein supplements, when to use one over the other. So, i-discuss natin yan ngayon ni Coach Rafi Rivas. Go ahead, Coach Rafi.
All right. Perfect morning, no? So another day, another healthy special topic po dito sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. So ang ating topic po for the day is meal replacement shakes versus protein supplements. When to use one over the other. So ang article po nito ay galing po kay Susan Bowerman, our Senior Director Worldwide Nutrition Educational and Training. Saan po siya makikita? Sa Herbalife.com, Wellness Resources and Articles. Alright. Pero bago po tayo magsimula, magpapakilala po muna ako. So, ako po ay si Coach Rafi Rivas, 38 years young. Ako po ay taong gising sa gabi since ang work ko po ay isang virtual assistant, US support. So obviously, dati pong overweight, sakitin ng likod at mainitin ng ulo dahil lagi mong puyat. So nag-start kaming gumamit ng Herbalife products almost 4 years ago. So we simply replaced our breakfast with allutein shake. Since then, maliban sa nakalose po ako ng more than 30 pounds, tumami ang energy at ngayon po ay na-enjoy na ang paglalaro ng sports at patuloy na sinishare ang power of nutrition. And also, ang favorite tablets ko po ang Energy to sustain and maintain ang high energy and mental alertness. Meron din po tayong tinatawag na Formula 2, Vitamin or vitamins and minerals. So yun nga po, no? Since matagal na po akong empleyado, never po ako naka-experience ng out of the country vacation. At guess what? Dito ko lang po yan na-experience sa Herbalife. So nabigyan po ako ng chance na makapunta sa ibang bansa. Marami na akong natutunan sa international training tulad po ng extravaganza. So na-bless pa po ako ng isang community of coaches. Dito lang yan sa Virtual Nutrition Club, no? Para mas ma-improve ang pagkakaroon ng healthy lifestyle. And that's why I love Herbalife. Alright. So yun, going back to our special topic po for today. So sabi po dito, no? Many people consume these products because they are convenient and can help consumers meet their daily nutritional needs. So ang tanong dito is interchangeable po ba yan? Yung meal replacement and protein shake. Kung hindi naman, when do you use one versus the other? So alamin po natin yan today. Alright, so isa sa mga vital component of our diets, ito po yung tinatawag na protein. So it offers numerous benefits. Una sa lahat, pag narinig natin salitang protein, that's for muscle growth, better health, or weight control. Alright. So again, alamin po natin today kung paano natin maximize ang benefits ng meal replacement and ng protein supplement shake. Alright, so when should you consume each one? So una sa lahat, pag-usapan po muna natin ang meal replacement shake. So from the keywords, replacement for a meal. So kanina na-discuss po sa atin yan ang value ng healthy breakfast. So isa yan sa example po, no, ang pag-replace ng breakfast. So it is nutritionally complete protein shake. So it's used to substitute a meal. So it has a macronutrients, yun po yung tinatawag natin protein, carbohydrate, and fats. And generally, may kasama na po yung vitamins and minerals. Siyempre, hindi lang yan. Meron din po yan fiber. Also helps with satiety. So, ibig sabihin yung pakiramdam ng pagkabusog or fullness. And combination of fiber and protein, yun nga, sabi po dito, feel full longer despite the lower calories or reduced calories. So yun, meron ka ng lower calories pero high nutritional value. So sobrang effective po niyan to use especially sa mga calorie restricted diets, sa mga nagda-diets diyan or yung may mga weight loss plans. Pero we need to take note po, no? So ano po yung kailangan natin tignan or i-check sa mga meal replacement shake. Siyempre una sa lahat ang ingredients, nutritional value it provides. Napaka-importante po niyan. And ugaliin po natin magbasa ng nutritional labels para makasiguro po tayo na quality po ang product or quality po yung meal replacement na i-intake po natin. At hindi lang siya parang simpleng snack lang. So isa ito sa mga example ng meal replacement shake. It should contain at least 170 calories, 17 grams of protein, 25% of your daily value of vitamins and minerals as consumed, and syempre yung 3 grams of fiber. Alright, so ito po yung ibig sabihin ng protein. So you can screenshot itong page na to. And next is yung nabanggit din kanina na fiber. Pwede po siyang i-screenshot for your karagdagang kalaman. At syempre, ito yung tinatawag natin, paano ba natin tinatawag na healthy meal replacement shake? So una sa lahat is, it should be balanced blend of protein, carbohydrates, fiber, essential vitamins, and minerals. So, kailan ba siya ginagamit? So, we can replace 1 to 2 meals per day. At ano bang benefits niya? Una sa lahat is yung convenient, nutrient dense, support weight management, both calorie and portion control. Alright, so yun yung meal replacement shake. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan naman natin ang protein supplement shake. So from the keyword, it is supplement. So pag sinabi nating supplement, something that completes or makes an addition, additional protein lang na kailangan nating katawan. It helps boost our protein intake. So yun nga lang, yung mga protein supplement shake, karamihan sa mga protein shake is not fortified with vitamins and minerals or fiber. Pero makakatulong po ito sa mga active people, sa mga mahilig mag-exercise. So usually, the protein it contains help the body recover and rebuild muscles. Alright, so ito yung meron sa protein shake, no? So usually up to 25 grams of protein per serving. So generally, not fortified with vitamins and minerals. So talagang protein lang siya. And usage as a recovery shake, post-workout, or as a snack. Ang benefits naman niya is to recover and support muscles growth for fitness performance and or boost daily protein intake. Alright, so ito yung question kanina, no? Kailan natin gagamitin ng meal replacement shake versus protein supplement shake? So sabi dito, meal replacement shakes can help you lose or maintain weight because they offer balanced nutrition and portion control. So si meal replacement shake then can help take the guesswork out of calorie counting. So sa mga conscious sa mga calories intake natin, so malaking tulong po niyan. And ang protein supplement shakes naman are meant to boost your protein intake. So just protein lang talaga throughout the day. So they are especially convenient when other protein sources are not available. So meron kasing tinatawag na minsan di natin feel kumain ng solid protein, solid meal or meat rather. So ang ginagawa is nagpo-protein shake. So, protein supplement shakes are great for fueling intense workouts. So, when you're building, toning, and repairing muscle tissue, your body needs more protein. So, syempre, after natin mag-exercise, nagbe-break out yung mga muscles natin. So, kapag magpapahinga na for recovery, si protein ang magtutulong yan para mabuo yung muscles natin, no? So, because protein promotes satiety, protein supplement shakes can serve as snacks to help with hunger control and weight management. So ngayon, of course, yung protein shake at meal replacement can help you achieve your wellness and weight management goals. Taking note of the value it gives us one each use. So pwede po natin incorporate yung dalawang products into our lifestyle, whether you're building a reduced calorie meal plan or fitness plan. So dito po sa dito po sa Herbalife pwedeng-pwede pong pagsabayin ang meal replacement at protein. Actually, meron tayo niyan. So, ang gandahan dito, it can be personalized. So, kung paano po siya gagawin, diyan po papasok ang value ng pagkakaroon natin ng Herbalife Coach. So, sila po ang mag-guide sa inyo how to effectively and maximize ang Herbalife products po natin based sa daily nutrition na kailangan ng ating katawan. So, yan po, no? So, for this one, I encourage everyone to stay tuned sa Virtual Nutrition Club or go back to the person who invited you. So, meron pa tayong napakadaming special topic about about protein intake. So, pwede nyo po silang lapitan, mga coaches po natin, to check kung saan po natin makikita yung mga special topic niyan. Alright, so ito po yung I'm excited to introduce lalo sa mga bago, no? So type 1 nga po diyan sa mga bago ko simulan to, no? So sino po ba yung mga bago sa atin yan? Type 1 po. Alright, so ito po yung tinatawag natin meal replacement shake or Formula 1 nutritional shake mix. So ang kagandahan po nito, meron tayong 5 flavors. So meron tayong French vanilla, Dutch choco, wild berry, cookies and cream, and dulce de leche. So, na-mention na to kanina, ang healthy breakfast. So, imagine, pagkagising mo pa lang sa umaga, so, pag-take mo neto, kompleto na. May protein ka na, may vitamins and minerals ka na, and kagandahan nun is 90 calories lang siya. Umpisa pa lang yan ng araw mo, no? So, alright. Tapos ano nga bang meron dito? Sabi din, na-mention ko kanina, convenient. So, imagine niyo sa isang shake po, ang laman po niyan ay meron tayong protein, vitamins, fiber, we have the calcium. So, imagine niyo sobrang convenient niyan kasi in less than 2 minutes, pwede nyo nang i-intake yan sa katawan natin. So, isipin ninyo kung kukumpletuhin nyo pa po, no, yung bawat characteristic ng shake. So, kung bibili nyo pa yan sa market, ilang oras yung may spend nyo pa instead of taking this in less than 2 minutes. So, syempre, karagdagan din na protein supplement, pwede nyo pong idagdag tong personalized protein powder. So, it has a blend of good quality soy and whey protein. So, kung medyo into sports ka at gusto mong gumanda yung muscles mo, so pwede nyo po itong idagdag sa mga shake po natin. Alright, so another protein supplement for snacking. So, sa mga mahilig mag-snacks dyan, so meron tayong tinatawag, mahilig mag-snacks at the same time mahilig sa kape. So, we have this high protein iced coffee. So, tayo lang meron yan, no? Yung may high protein iced coffee, yung may vitamins and minerals sa ating kape. So it has 80 calories per serving, zero sugar. Grabe yun, kaping zero sugar with 15 grams of protein. Sa atin lang meron yan. At higit sa lahat, sobrang quality po. Quality ng type of coffee na ginamit dito. No? It has 100% Robusta espresso coffee beans roasted in Brazil na nandito na sa Pilipinas, no? Alright, at syempre, isa to sa mga paborito ko, ang Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength. Para saan to ginagamit? Especially, hindi lang sa mga mahilig sa sports. So, kagandahan nito, it has 24 grams whey and casein protein, 190 calories per serving. Nakakatulong po ito to have a lean body mass. So, ginagamit ko to after exercise or even just walking or after nyo mag-Zumba. So, syempre, kadalasan nakakaramdam tayo ng pagod dahil nga ginagamit natin ang muscles with the exercise, no? So, nakakatulong to para to prepare your body for the next activity, no? Nakaka-relax doon ng ating muscle. At the same time, it builds muscle sa ating katawan. Alright, syempre, saan lang ba natin yan makukuha? So again, just take note ang quality na kailangan ng ating katawan, no? So dito lang yan sa #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Alright, at syempre, Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. So sabay-sabay po natin i-type 1 at sabay-sabay po natin sabihin, say yes to good nutrition. Alright, and naway meron po kayo natutunan today at lagi niyo pong tatandaan na let's share ang blessing ng mga special topic po dito sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala, no? So, again, maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo and back to you, Coach. Ciao!
Ayan, so napakarami nating natutunan today. Very informative ang ating special topic. Thank you so much. So thank you naman tayo kay Coach Rafi sa ating comment section. Yan, so 'di ba? Alam na natin ngayon kung paano natin yan iti-take or ano yung gagawin natin to take the supplements or the protein shakes. So